Hello, my friends. We're switching it up a little. Right now I'm working on my new exciting series on microneedling, but I didn't want to leave you hanging. So you probably remember my son Eric from a few of our other videos, and I thought this was super appropriate for the times we have right now. So enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video.
Alright, hello do-it-yourself hairstylists. Maybe the hair is getting a little weird and out of control, but today I'm going to teach you how to do that for your husbands, your sons, or even if you're just a guy that follows the Coco Muse channel, we're going to make it happen. Today we are cutting hair and save some money since your barbers are all out of work because of COVID. So here we go. Alright, so today we will be cutting the sides of the hair, the beard, and we will be cutting the neckline, trimming and a little bit by the ears and stuff. So I have been cutting my hair since I was 14 years old. So at this point, I think I've pretty much mastered it so that you don't look like a Shaggy guy from
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo. There we go. So we don't want no Scooby-Doos around here, okay? I got home from school one day and I found a pair of clippers on my bed. I said, "What is this?" And she said, "Since I told you I'm not spending $35 to cut your hair, you are gonna learn how to cut your hair." I'm not a videographer, Mom, so this is for you. All right, so my first couple times cutting my hair, it was really awful. Just really bad because no one taught me, so hopefully this helps. This is probably the best tool that I have since I was a kid. So we are going to be using the Wall today. This is the hair trimmers that I prefer. They last years. The other ones I've had, you buy them and they break within a couple weeks or months. So this one's lasted me for probably 2 years now. So anyways, it has different lengths. 1 inch is good for spikes or faux hawks or whatever kind of hairstyle your kid wants that's about 1 inch long. And you could do it all the same length. You don't have to do shorter sides, whatever you want. And then it goes all the way down to the red, which is what I'm going to be using today. I'll be using on the beard and on the side. You can use any size you want on a beard if you want like a long beard. I'd probably recommend the orange, which is the 1/2 inch, if you want like a good sized beard that looks full. 1 inch or longer. So, and then to clean up all the around the ears, and once I trim all this, I'm gonna want to use this little device, which I hope you could see, the Norelco. So this will clean up all the lines around the ears and anything else that you want to do. So, all right, let's begin. If you want to learn how to cut your hair to a certain height on your head, you could use a little cheat some people might find helpful. And you could just take like pretty much a headband and put it to the height you want it. Make sure all these long hairs are up in it. And then this could kind of help you figure out a spot, so you can kind of do it all the way around. Take the trimmers, cut it. That is one trick that I have. Or if you want to go back to like 1980s, you can use a bowl, you know. Don't recommend that way. Just use a headband. I'll just start going up like this. Getting all that hair off. Doing the same to this side. And then I'll do the same to the back. Get all that hair. And usually I have a two-way mirror so I could see both sides, but today I just moved to the mountains. Alright, so now the wife's gonna jump in and she's gonna do the back. She's gonna use both of the razors. The small one's gonna be to clean up the kind of neckline, all the fine small hair, and then she's gonna use the Wall to kind of even out the back.
Blending.
I like to do it with the shirt off too, otherwise your shirt gets all hairy and it's not good.
Alright, I'm just gonna try to blend this part. If you can see, there's like a big step from like here down. So I'm just gonna try to blend that a bit better. Make this top part a little shorter.
So she's just kind of nicking at it a little bit, not fully pushing down on the head.
Mm-hmm. Booping it.
All right. My hair is probably a little shaggy down at the neckline, so she's gonna clean it up with the Norelco.
This part's easy. Just make a little square. Boop, boop, boop. And go up the neck a little bit. Really shaggy on this side.
Yeah. As you can see, it's looking a lot cleaner.
Not yet. So get back down there.
All right.
And over to the Coco. Let's get in there.
Can you see my bald spot right here?
Yeah.
All right. I think I was abducted by aliens because if you all know my mom, she's kind of alien-like. So,
Okay, look at this side. Let me see it straight on. That line straight. Got it one more time. Make it a little straighter. Little nip, 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 nip. You're good to go.
Okay.
And that is my work here done.
This little Norelco, amazing for your cleanup spots. Really cleans up nice around the ears. I always pull my ear down so I could see all that little extra hair. And then I kind of just take it and I go slow. It's better to go slow than too fast though. You could see that it's still a little long right here. So I'll go back with the original wall. And I'll just go back over. And now that's better. All right, so as you can see, it's all pretty blended cut all around. All right, so for all you wives that want to cut your husband's beards or guys that want to cut your beards, I use the shortest length, the red. It's the 1/8. You can adjust the length. Here, I'll take this off. So you can see it raises and shortens. I like it fully raised when I do my beard. And so you just put it back on and then we'll start working on the beard. So it's pretty easy. You just pretty much hit up everywhere the beard is and starts cutting it off. I grew out my beard just so that I could do this demonstration. And I could go all the way up to the hairline, no big deal. It's not gonna, I already used a 1 on the hair, so it's not gonna cut any of the sideburn any shorter, so let's see. And if for some reason you wanna just grow out your mustache or whatever and have like a long mustache with short sideburns or whatever, you could just not cut the mustache, or there's a lot of options you could do with this. So you're gonna see certain parts of the beard you're gonna have to go at different angles. So this part I have to go down. You're always gonna wanna go against the grain of your hair. Same with the back of your hair. I always go down to up because you wanna go against that grain. Goodbye grays. Just want to make sure it's all even, so I always clean this because it always gets hair, so I always just give it a quick little pat down. And then for around here, sometimes the guard doesn't reach all the way up here, so I'll put it back. I'll move this thing back to the shortest, and I'll kind of just tamper a little bit. And anytime you don't have the guard on, again, you want to go slow because I could have taken a big chunk out of my mustache and that would be bad. So no one wants that. No husband would be happy. All right. So that's pretty much that. As you can see, my hair's, a little janky because I had a hat on, but I'll go take a shower, Okay, I just got out of the shower. So I always cut my hair first, then I take a shower. I missed a couple spots here, and then there was a couple long spots here. I'll pretty much just take this Norelco. I will not be cutting the top of my hair because I cut that about once every 3 times that I cut the sides. So for the next video, we will learn how to cut the longer hair. Voila, it's done. Or the, I'm really messing up. And I'll do another take just in case if you don't like that one.